looks nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's go.
Hello mga kabisaya! It's me again, Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. So, Sabado na po diri ang akong pinaka-favorite na adlaw. You know why? Maura ni ang adlaw na akong ikasuroy-suroy kay di-off sa akong bana. So, adto ta karon sa Walmart.
Look, you're driving. Do you remember when you were in the Philippines? You used to have to ride a tricycle. Now you drive.
Yeah.
And remember, you almost gave up. You said
Yeah.
you didn't want to learn to drive. You were so hard. But now you learned. You got your license.
I'm so glad that I have you.
Yep, now you're driving. And you're a good driver in the United States.
Thank you to my husband. Now where we go?
We're going to go to Walmart.
Yeah, let's go to Walmart. And after Walmart, we're going to outlet malls, right?
Yeah, then we're going to Outlet Mall out in Chesterfield, Missouri.
Okay. Yay.
Okay, good driver.
Yeah.
They even have to have security guards here, look.
Yan na karon sa outlet malls, guys. Who are you?
Oh,
Who
I'm
are
your
you?
husband.
That's my favorite store. Look at that. Look at there. Look at there. Empty. Michael Kors. Fossil. At mi sa Fossil store. Magtanaw may grill sa... Yeah, Michael Kors. Calvin Klein. Fossil.
Yeah, Bradley.
Be careful. Ito guys, sa Fossil, required man nila ang mask. Mask.
I know. I'm trying to shove the other one already. I'm trying to shove the other one for over on the side. Yeah. Oh, I feel like
So, pili ko o unsay. Kaganahan sa akong anak. I'm sure nga ni isang kaganahan mga dagko ug naon na Fossil. Guys, mga nice ang ilang mga tinda. Magpidyo na lang ko kaya ako'y kwarta ikapalit. Grabe kadaghan na iso. Belt bag. Oh my god, this is really nice. Belt bag. Verna, nagipalit ni Daddy Jack na watch para nimo. It's really nice. God, it's really nice, love.
You like them?
Yeah, I do.
we want to put hand sanitizer with us so we can spray everything. I'm here.
Mao pa miabot guys, kika naglaag. Grabe ka init sa gawas. Sobra.
Guys, mauni ang among mga napalit gikan sa puzzle store. Relo sa akong mga anak. O syempre,